Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get more display resolution options windows. Chapter 1. How to get more display resolution options windows from graphics properties. To begin, right-click on the desktop and choose Display. After, click on the option Advanced Display Settings. Now click on Display Adapter Properties. Select the screen on which you will apply the change. Here, click on List All Modes. In this list, click on the desired mode. Click on OK, and after click on Apply, you must confirm this new resolution change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to get more display resolution options windows using screen resolution. To start, from Menu Star, open Settings. After, in the system, click on the Display option. Now in the Display Resolution section, select the resolution to use between one of the resolutions available in the drop-down field. When you do this, click on Keep Changes to save this resolution. You can change the resolution to get a better look of your display. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.